Social Media Marketing for Business Growth is a Gateway Workshops online course designed to help you grow your business through social media marketing. We understand that as a professional in the holistic industry, you may specialize in offering amazing massage treatments, beauty treatments, spiritual one-to-ones, or other well-being services. We also know that to succeed, you need to attract new clients and increase your visibility. Marketing can be difficult, but it's important to remember that it can make a huge difference in your success. The course covers all social media platforms, the best times to post, the kind of content each platform is best suited for, and all content marketing strategies. We delve into content marketing, how to start a podcast, the kind of equipment you'll need, and how to write the perfect blog. We even cover how to become a social influencer and use AI in social media marketing. And that's not all. You'll get a downloadable workbook with templates and ideas, a blogging glossary guide, and a social media content strategy. Plus, there are 6 comprehensive videos from our library and a module on bringing everything you've learned together. If you want to grow your business using social media platforms, this course has got you covered. So come on in and start your journey today. Once you have completed the course, you will receive a professionally accredited and approved certificate, allowing you to use your knowledge with the public and charge. Join the thousands of students who have trained with our award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.